Moringa, often referred to as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, is a highly nutritious plant that offers a wide range of health benefits. It is used as a superfood because it is exceptionally nutrient-dense compared to many other plants. In moringa, different parts of the plant offer varying levels of nutrition, but the leaves are generally considered the most nutritious part. Moringa leaves are often the primary part of the plant that is consumed and valued for their exceptional nutritional content. Here are some key reasons why moringa leaves are the most nutritious part. Leaves are particularly high in vitamins and minerals including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, potassium, and iron. Moringa leaves contain a significant amount of protein, including all essential amino acids. This makes them a valuable plant-based protein source. The leaves are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, which help combat free radicals and oxidative stress. Moringa leaves are high in dietary fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. They contain a wide range of phytonutrients with potential health benefits. While the leaves are the most commonly consumed part, other parts of the moringa tree also have their own nutritional benefits. Moringa seeds. These are rich in healthy fats, such as oleic acid, and can be a source of oil. They also contain protein and various nutrients. Moringa pods. The pods are consumed as vegetables and are a good source of vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, vitamin A, and calcium. Moringa flowers. The flowers are also edible and contain various nutrients. They are often used in salads and as a garnish. In Asia, people cook flowers with other vegetables or meat. Its taste is unique and craving. How to use moringa. Fresh moringa leaves can be used in salads, stir-fries, or as a garnish for various dishes. Dried moringa leaves can be used to make tea or added to smoothies. Moringa leaf powder is a convenient way to consume moringa. You can add it to smoothies, juices, soups, or sprinkle it on your meals. Moringa seeds can be eaten roasted, like nuts. They are also used to make a type of oil with potential skincare benefits. This oil can be applied topically to the skin and hair for moisturizing and nourishing effects. Pods of moringa can be cooked and eaten as a vegetable. They are often used in Indian and African cuisines. Moringa supplements. Available in various forms, capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts, can be used to ensure a consistent intake of moringa's benefits. While all parts of the tree have some nutritional value, the leaves are the most prized for their exceptional nutrient density, making them a popular choice for consumption in various forms, including fresh, dried, or as a powdered supplement. Additionally, individual nutritional needs may vary, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to determine how moringa can best fit into your diet to meet your specific dietary requirements. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more about how to be healthy.